He almost bought a TV.
Stay tuned. Welcome back to an all-new edition of the Sunday Night Sit Down with America's #1 money couple. I'm Talaat.
And I'm Tai, and we're from hisandhermoney.com, where we're managing money, marriage, and everything in between.
The Sunday Night Sit Down is being brought to you by Audible.
Love reading, but wish you had more time to get into your favorite books? What if you could use the time you already have and listen to the books you already love? Well, now you can with Audible. With Audible books, you can be inspired, entertained, and educated anywhere, anytime. Choose from the bestsellers in self-development, business, nonfiction, and more. So what are you waiting for? Your first 30 days are free. Visit hisandhermoney.com/audible to get started today. That's hisandhermoney.com/audible.
You guys, we had to come and share this story because there is a message in this story, like all of our stories that we share with you guys. But your boy almost bought a TV, y'all, and we have how many TVs in this home?
We only got 3.
We have 3 that are up, but we have a few downstairs.
We don't have a few TVs in the basement.
Yes,
we do
do
not have a few TVs
yes,
in the basement.
We do.
There's 1 down there.
We have, I think, 2.
Manny's former TV is down there.
And our former TV to our bedroom because you insisted that we need a new one Black Friday like 2 years ago.
I don't think that's true.
Let's go check. Let's stop the camera right now and let's go check.
Okay.
We'll be back. No, for real.
Go ahead.
So you...
I know it's down there. There's 1 TV down there.
All right, guys. So I stand corrected. We do have 1 in the basement only because I sold one of them.
Are you going to, like, apologize?
I said I stand corrected.
You talking to them? No, you're not talking to me.
I apologize. I sold one of your TVs, okay? Thank you. So we have 1 TV, good working TV downstairs in the basement, and he wanted to buy probably about 2 more TVs. And I'm going to tell you guys why. So we share with you guys, oh my gosh, last year sometime, right?
Yeah.
How we cut the cable cord, and that has been one of the best decisions that we ever could have made.
Thumbs up.
Yep, thumbs up. No regrets there whatsoever. But in that video, I ran downstairs, ran back up.
Catch your breath, girl. Catch your breath.
All right. But we shared in that video one of the things or the tools that we're using now to substitute with the cable is Fire Stick, right? By Amazon. It's an Amazon product. Well, Amazon and YouTube,
they got beef.
Yeah, they must have a little bit of beef. All of a sudden, one day in December, we were watching YouTube, and this message came up and said, hey, by January 1st, 2018, you will no longer be able to watch YouTube on this device. We're like, what? Yeah. What is going on? So I started to do some research, and I Googled and things like that, and for some reason, to make a long story short, YouTube kind of feels like Amazon is not being as fair with them, like they're being with Amazon, like they're not promoting or something like that.
They've had beef for a few years, and I think it's kind of come to a head.
Yeah,
so
YouTube
Amazon
is like I'm pulling.
Peace.
No, YouTube said peace.
Oh, was it? I thought it was Amazon kicking YouTube off of the Fire Sticks.
No, it's YouTube, right? So I'm like, look, I don't care what's going on with you guys, but you all need to get it together because we cut our cable cord, and I need to be able to watch TV, and I love watching YouTube, y'all, on TV. Like, when everybody goes to bed at night, that is like my secret pastime. I thoroughly enjoy watching YouTube channels. I almost started naming some of my channels, but I love, one of my favorites right now that I'm loving is Gabe and Babe TV. They just have a beautiful little girl.
Coming at you.
Yeah, and my kids be saying, Grace, she's on the 4th, she's like, what did she say? Happy Hump Day. For y'all peeps out there, y'all know what we're talking about. But anyway, I love to stay up at night and I love to watch YouTube. Like, that's my wind down time after I've made lunches for the next day for the kids. The house is quiet, and it's like what I like to do. YouTube and Netflix, right? YouTube and Netflix, they go hand in hand. So when I saw that message, I'm like, oh my gosh, no way. And my dear loving husband, I just love you.
Thank you. I love you too.
I really do. Because y'all, let me tell y'all something about this man.
Tell him.
Like, you would give me the world.
I would doggone try.
You really would. And y'all, he was willing to buy 2 new TVs. And he was so for real. He was like, well, Ty, we're just gonna have to buy 2 smart TVs because we would still be able to,
YouTube built in.
Right, we'll be able to use that, you know, the apps. And I said, Talaat, we are not about to buy 2 new TVs when we have 3 perfectly good ones up right now. We have one in the basement right now, perfectly good, right? And I'm like, and he was like, well, and you kind of was a little cocky with it.
How?
You were like, well, I mean, it's really up to you because you're the one that like to watch it's your shows that's leaving.
That's a fact.
Like, you know, I'm like, oh, really?
Those are the facts.
But it was like the way you said it, like, well, fine, no big deal. You don't want a new TV, that's on you then. Go watch your YouTube on the computer like you were doing from day one. And I'm like, Talaat.
Definitely didn't say it like that because we were texting.
I'm like,
so it definitely wasn't.
No, we had a conversation.
There's no voice inflection in my text,
We had a literal conversation.
I didn't say go down to the office and just watch it on your computer.
No, that's what I was thinking. Like you
Tell the people the truth.
No, we really had a literal conversation.
Yeah, but I didn't relegate you to the office.
No, you didn't. No, you did not. But it was basically like in so many words you were trying to say, because you did tell it. You were like kind of sure you were like, well, I mean, hey, it's up to you because it's your stuff that's leaving. And I'm like, look, it's not like the end of the world. I will still figure out how to watch my channels. But in the meanwhile, I'll just watch Netflix. The kids will be good. They like to watch Netflix and the different apps that's on Fire Stick. Plus, I knew that Amazon, they're bright, okay? They're really, really bright, like really bright. And they have millions of people that are using their device. And you mean to tell me that they were not gonna provide a way for people to be able to watch YouTube? No. I knew that they were gonna still be able to provide a way. So I told you, what did I say?
You said you figured it out.
I was like, yeah, no big deal, right?
So she went to Dr. Google.
Yeah, but then what did you do probably like a week or 2 weeks later?
I don't know, what did I do?
Y'all, I got an email or it was a text message of like, he didn't research television.
Oh yeah, just in case it didn't work out.
Like Brother Man was really like researching. He was like, okay, this is the best deal right now over here at Best Buy.
I'm a proactive person.
For a minute, I kind of started thinking like,
because they was good deals.
I was kind of starting to
get
good deals. Like, wait,
your boy found some good deals.
I was kind of thinking, well, like it is around Christmas, so maybe like if we are gonna do it, we better like hurry up and do it now type thing. But I'm like, no, I just was refusing to spend that type of money all because of YouTube. I'm like, no, I can Chromecast it. You know, if I gotta watch it downstairs in the office, which I don't watch television when I'm in the office, but if I had to Chromecast it, fine. And I was like, no, hon, please don't buy another television. We'll figure this out. And then you all, I made another Google search about a week.
Dr. Google?
Yep, about a week prior to January 1st, because I knew somebody was gonna create an app, or I'm sorry, create a post discussing it, and there was a way around it where we are still able to watch YouTube.
Legit, no bootleg,
right?
No bootleg.
So Firefox has an app, and so does Silk browser. And those are all internet browsers. They have an app on Fire Stick, and you get to watch YouTube there. So guess what I did? I went and I downloaded, okay, on all these televisions. I'm like, come on, Firefox, work with me. Come on, Silk, work with me. And y'all, I was like jumping up and down. I'm like, Talaat, look, YouTube works, look, it's here. And I was so happy because I'm like, we didn't have to buy 2 new televisions, right? And it just had me thinking, you know, in life, a lot of times we're faced with different circumstances, different situations may arise, and some of them are emergencies. And we teach you guys you should have an emergency fund, right, for emergencies. But there are some times when a little patience gets you a long way.
That's right, guys. Look, I didn't do anything wrong. Ty didn't do anything wrong. And you may not be doing anything wrong with the situation that you're trying to figure out. Should I spend this amount of money on?
Right.
But what you need not do is make rash, emotional decisions. Take time to think things through. Don't just only have your mind in the here and now.
Right.
Because every dollar that you spend right now affects your future financial goals down the road. So if you spend $500 or $600 on an item today, how much longer is that going to keep you away from getting off debt payments? How long is that going to take you away from hitting your retirement wealth building goals? How long is it going to take you away from having enough money for when Christmas gets here so that you don't have to pull out a credit card debt? You need to weigh not only how this dollar amount will affect you today, but how it will affect your tomorrow and down the road. Because a lot of times if you do what we did and kind of just chill for a minute, think things through a little bit, you might find an alternative that will cost you $0 in the end, and that way you can stay on track with all of your money goals.
That's right. And the Bible says, he that findeth a wife.
Listen, ho, 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 ho. Sorry. Woo! got stirred up.
No, thank God, right? Thank you all so much that we actually had patience, right? And that you had a wife full of wisdom, right? And I spoke wisdom from the beginning. No, I'm not giving myself that much credit. But, however, I'm so grateful that we did not have to buy 2 televisions just so I can continue to watch YouTube. Again, patience is key, you all. There actually may be a better way for you to actually achieve your end result that you're really looking to achieve in the end. And you want to be able to do that, guys. So sometimes being patient, praying, just researching, sometimes you'll be able to come out with a better idea. So yeah, guys, you know, I'm not trying to give myself that much credit, but we did save a lot of money in this case, right? But in the end, we both were happy. My husband's ultimate goal was to have a happy wife and happy children, and I love that. You just wanted us to be able to still be able to watch our television the way that we enjoy it. And I think in life, I think that actually has some benefits, really. I really do. I think that it's not always about the money, right? The money spent. But it is about enjoying life and have a fulfilled life, you know? And for me, I just didn't want 6 TVs in the house. I'm like, no, like this TV is perfectly fine. Like, what were we gonna do with it? We could have sold it, but yeah. You know, but yeah. So in the end, guys, you have to ask yourself, is there a better way to achieve your ultimate end goal that you're looking to achieve? Can you do more research? Maybe you can ask more questions. Maybe you can seek around. There's probably someone out there that is actually going through what you're going through right now, and they've already solved the problem.
And when you're dealing with relationships, somebody's gonna have to be humble.
Right.
Because I could have taken what my wife said, that she was gonna find another way, and ignored it and just said, you know what, I'm going to Best Buy right now and I'm coming home with these 2 TVs. But I said, no, okay, if she wants to try and find something, I had to put my little pride to the side, had to put my little protector mode away because I'm trying to get this for my wife and my kids to make sure they're straight. I had to just be humble enough to say, okay, let me allow my wife to do what she would like to do in this situation. And in the end, it paid off for us. So when you have these money talks and you two may not have the same viewpoint on the topic, somebody's gonna have to take a back seat and trust the other a little bit, and then eventually come back together, find a common ground, and keep moving forward.
I love that. That's so true. Well, guys, if you all enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, share this video around. Share it on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. We love it when you guys share because sharing is caring. And make sure that you all subscribe to the channel if you have not done so already. And meet us back here next Sunday night at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, where you will see the both of us sharing with you.
We want to hear from you guys in the comment section below. Has anybody else been in this situation to where you are about to make a post purchase, or maybe not even an impulse purchase, just like a big ticket item needed to be purchased, and you were trying to figure out, should I do it now? Should I get a cheaper version? Or should I just wait altogether? Have you been in a similar situation? If so, how did you handle it? We would love to hear from you down in the comment section.
And if you actually took the plunge, do you have any regrets, or did it actually pay it off, right? So we want to hear that too.
And we read all the comments, so talk to us.
Yep.
Well, that's all we got for this week, guys. It's been great. Until next time, peace.
Bye, y'all.